Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about advanced filter. In previous video you've talked about filtering with number or the basic one, so you can check that one out. Now here when you say advanced filter, what does it mean? Now advanced means you are going beyond the basic ones. So you can see now we have these are the criteria here, and that is what you are going to just look up on to just filter this table here. And advanced filter, you need to know three things. Now the first one is the source. That is the table, the source. Now you have criteria, the criteria, and where to paste to or where to hold the results. So let's say now in this video, you're going to make this cell over here to hold the results of this filtered data. So, and these are the criteria. So the first criteria is going to be the serial code. That is a G8, okay? You're picking the Ghana. So any text here, that is the G8, on any row here that contains the serial code of G8 must be popped up. Now the second one, I'm going to talk about the list, the Ghana and the G8 and what? And this, okay? So the list and the serial code. So under filtering, make sure you have this criteria, you have the column headings over there because it is very important. So make sure you have the column heading. So you can see now you have G8 here, Ghana, you have G8. So you can see you have Ghana 1 here, and you have Ghana here. So this Ghana, let's make it, let's find Ghana. Okay, and I think it's okay. So it means not all Ghana has the serial code of G8. This Ghana here has the serial code of small Ghana here, and this also has this G8. Alright, so this is going to be our criteria, and we have our number. So the first criteria, we have number here less than 3,420. So we're going to sort it out from here, and we have greater than 2,000. We're going to also sort it out from here. Now the date to less than 1st January 2021. So it means before 2021 January 1st. So it means from 2020 December backwards. Okay, so now let's start the filtering. Now in order to perform the advanced filter, go to the same home tab. Now go to the sort and click on advanced filter. Okay, click on advanced filter. But since I'm using the Mac OS, I'll go to the data, then go to advanced filter here. So when you have advanced filter, you have three things over here. That's the requirement. Now copy to. You are going to copy the data, the sorted one, the filtered one, to the same cell over here. So you have to choose the second one. Now you have the list range. So the list range is the source. As soon as you just click on advanced filter, you can see now the table has been, you have this line around the table. It means the table is not active. Okay. Now there's a criteria. So criteria, let's clear this off. So you want to sort from the data all table or all row that has the name G8. Okay, so that has the name G8. So it has the name G8 here. And so when done, let's go for now copy to where. So you want to, let's clear this. You want to copy it up to this side. So we are going to search for this table, all list, that is Ghana, and has, okay, so all serial code, that is G8. So any row here that has a serial code of G8 must be popped up or must be stored or saved here. So when finished, click on OK. Alright, so you see now we have the list over here. We have only the serial code as a G8 GH. It means we have this serial code and this data appear 3 times over here. Okay, so that is now let's have another one with this. Now you want the list Ghana, so let's change this Ghana to let's pick Monday. So Monday. Okay, so Monday and with this amount. Okay, so let's number. So Monday, now the number is here. Okay, so let's use this. The Monday, and the Monday is MON. Okay, so now let's filter down and paste it here. So this means that you can, let's see, now we have only one criteria. That's the one parameter, and we have it. Let's try that, and let's try two parameters and see if we are still going to have this or not. So the same, click on the table. Now go to data, advanced filter. Now the table is being selected. Now the range. So now let's go for the range. So this is the range. Okay, this is the range. Now you want to save it here. So I want to paste it here, so let's delete, and now let's choose this. Now click on OK. So you can see that all Mondays here, the serial code, and now the list with Mondays, we have it over there. Okay, now let's go to the second one. We have this number. Now the number is less than 3,420. So all the list, okay, the number here, all list serial code and date, which the number is less than 3,420, it must give us. So let's try that and see. Now we're going to put it here. So go to data, or go to the home and advanced filter. Now table is selected, and criteria. Let's select this criteria, and you're going to select this criteria. Now we have this, and you want to save it here. Okay, now let's click on OK. So you can see that the list, all the numbers here, none is greater or equal to 3,420. You can see they are all 3,400, 200. The highest is 3,200 or 300. So you can see you have 3,400, and since it is less than 20, okay, it's less than 420, the least 3,400. So you can see. Now let's filter the same thing with this, greater than 2,000, greater than 2,000. So let's do that and see, advanced filter. Now you want the list greater than 2,000. So that's the criteria, and it's greater than 2,000. Now you want to save it here. Okay, so you want to save it here as well. Now let's click on OK. So greater than 2,000. So we see 2,220, right? 2,020, and now it ends to 4,160. So that's the way to sort the table out, or to filter the table. In order not to, you can see now you didn't even use the drop down over here, but we're able to sort the data out. Now let's ask ourselves, how can you sort this data to another sheet? Can you sort this data to another sheet? Let's try this and see if possible. Now you want to click on this. Let's create this sheet here. Okay, sheet 1. This is where you're going to sort it to. So sheet 1, let's go to data. Now advanced. So this table, now this range. So this is a range. This is a range. Now copy to another location. So with this location, let's clear this. So clear this location, and now go to the new this sheet, and now choose where you want to paste it, and now click on it, and let's see. Now it tells you can only copy filtered data to active sheet. Now what is active sheet? Active sheet is where you have an active cell. So when you have this cell being activated, to me this is an active sheet. So sheet 1, when you click this, the sheet 1 becomes what? An active sheet. So how can you filter the data to the sheet 1? How can you filter data from advanced filter sheet to sheet 1? So go to sheet 1. Now click at this, okay, and now go to home, and now advanced filter, okay. So advanced filter. Now with the range, go back to the advanced filter range, and now highlight the table that you want to. So highlight the table. Okay, so there is a table. Alright, so now let's go to range. So with the range, you go to the same, and we want this range. We want less than 3,200. This is the range. Okay, and now copy to now you want it to be at this side. Okay, now click on OK. Now I click on OK, you can see that the data is being sorted out, and you have the filtered text here, or the filtered data here. So let's just highlight this, and now OK. So you can see now the data, you have everything being sorted, and the range was less than 3,400, so it ends up 3,400. So that is a way to sort or to use the advanced filter, and it's very convenient when sorting a lot of data in a table. Alright, so that is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.